converse, kabaliktaran. This time angle naman ang kukunin natin. Hinge, or the converse of hinge theorem, or what we call the SSS. What is SSS? Side, side, side inequality theorem. Okay, so first, read the converse of hinge theorem, or the SSS to anak ha. SSS inequality. Everyone.
The two sides of one triangle are congruent
To the two sides of another triangle, but
the third side of the first triangle
is longer than the third side,
of the second.
then
The included angle of the first triangle
is larger than.
the included angle of the second triangle.
Okay, this time anak, ang kukunin natin, tatlong sides. Then after identifying the measure of the three sides, let us identify the opposite angle naman. Now, let's try an example. So I have here triangle HJG and triangle LMK. Based on the measurement, based on the markings, give me one pair of congruent sides. Yung may isang guhit lang. So ito, segment, dito muna tayo sa first triangle. HJ is congruent to what segment? Okay, very good. Segment HJ is congruent to segment LM. Another congruent sides. Yes, anak. Segment
GJ
is congruent to segment KM or MK. They are equal. Then after that, let us compare the measure of the third side. Ang sabi anak sa converse of hinge theorem, if two sides of one triangle are congruent to the two sides of another triangle, but the third side is longer than the measure of the third side of the second triangle, meaning dalawang side lang ang congruent. Yung isang side pwedeng mas mahaba or pwedeng mas maikli. Okay, now, identify na natin yung two congruent sides. So let us compare the measure of the third side. Now, based on the illustration, ma-identify ba natin ano yung mas mahabang side? Okay, anong side po? Segment GH is greater than, kasi mas mahaba, mas kakainin siya. Is greater than to segment KL. At ito po yun. Now, if segment GH is greater than to segment KL, what do you say about the opposite angle? Anong mas malaki, si J o si M? Very good, si J. Angle J is greater than to the measure of angle M. And that is the converse of hinge theorem. Kanina anong kinukuha? Sides. Ngayon, angle na po.